Are you curious about how the apparel industry can benefit from industrial engineering principles? Let's dive into the exciting possibilities. Industrial engineers analyze and visualize each step in the production process, identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies to propose solutions for streamlining manufacturing. By determining the most efficient way to perform tasks, industrial engineers optimize production line layouts and reduce the time it takes to complete sewing or assembly processes. Robust quality control measures ensure that each garment meets or exceeds desired standards, improving customer satisfaction and reducing waste and rework costs. The integration of advanced machinery, automation, and data analytics significantly enhances efficiency and accuracy in the apparel industry. Investing in training and skill development for the workforce ensures effective adaptation to new processes and technologies. Explore a real-world case study where a prominent apparel manufacturer implemented industrial engineering principles, resulting in increased production efficiency, reduced costs, and improved product quality. Industrial engineering offers a systematic approach to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve quality in the apparel industry, keeping organizations competitive in the fast-paced world of fashion manufacturing.